Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Project Pan finale. I'm so excited to be here. Progress this month hasn't been the best for two reasons. One, I've been doing a lot of more holiday inspired looks this month, just with various Christmas events that we've been going to. As well as I am filming this a little bit early because I do want to get it up before the end of the year, so there's probably about 10 days of progress that would have happened that didn't happen. But all in all, I'm not mad at it. It's just not the most exciting end of the year update. However, this first item is exciting because I did finish my Rare Beauty primer. It's my illuminating primer. Let's see, I used this a total of 10 times this month, which means I used it a total of 22 uses from the time I rolled it into the project to the finish of the project. So I am super happy to not be using this anymore. I did enjoy this. I might consider repurchasing it. However, I'm not really into illuminating primers lately. I'm more into hydrating primers. So if I ever got back into illuminating primers, I would possibly repurchase this because it was good, but because that's not where I'm at preference wise right now, I'm not really I'm not gonna repurchase this right now. And then we've got my Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow, and I used this a total of 7 times. My goal was to use it a total of 50 times or finish it off. I did not, so I had 18 uses from the time before, so I think I want to see 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 15, 12. So I do have 11 uses before I can roll it out. However, because it's the end of the year and the end of the project, I'm just going to roll this out and call it good. I'm super happy with the progress. I could eventually finish this off and this could possibly get rolled into my project yet again. This was in my project a couple years ago, and so I do see it possibly coming back, but for right now I'm just going to take a break from it. My Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, I didn't use them at all this month. I'm going to declutter this just because I find that it has been lifting up my makeup and I just don't like it. I think it's just getting older. I don't remember doing it before, and I have used it quite a bit, but it's time for this to go and probably get thrown into the trash. It is an older product, so I am not mad. I'm ready to just be done with this. It's not doing me any favors, and if it's not doing me any favors, why keep it? My Pure foundation, I used to say a total of 8 times this month. I'm not finished with it yet, but spoiler alert, this is definitely going into my 2024 Project Pan. I see myself finishing it up within 3 months at the most. So I do want to finish this up, especially because I am so close to being done with it and I'm having fun panning it. So if I'm enjoying it, I might as well keep it. My Tarte Creaseless Concealer, I used this a total of 8 times. There's a lot more in here than I anticipated, so this will not be getting rolled into my 2024 Project Pan. However, it might get rolled in eventually next year, but nothing that I just want to take a break from it. Same with my Rare Beauty lipstick. I only used this a total of 3 times. I'm not mad at the progress. I was thinking about putting this into next year's project. However, I just don't feel like doing it right now. I feel like I'm not wearing as much lipstick these days, so I just want to take a break from probably lipstick altogether. I haven't finalized my 2024 Project Pan yet, but I do have my ideas going. And then this last item has been 2 years going strong. It is my ColourPop Too Cool for School blush, and I have not touched this month. Again, I've been doing other holiday looks that don't really go with this blush, but after talking to you guys and just kind of being tired of it myself, I will be rolling this out. However, I will not be decluttering it from my collection because it is still good, so I do want to wear it. I just don't want this to be in my project for another year. I'm kind of tired of it, and I've got other things in mind that I want. Anyway, that is my finale. Thank you so much for watching this video. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle. My goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. And if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.